Hi there, my name is Ahava Sarah Fischer, and this video is about using essential oils for dental care. Recently, my husband and I really got into essential oils. We joined Young Living and we are absolutely loving the oils. And it's just amazing how in the Bible there's so many references to the use of oil, the significance of oil. And there's also scripture that speaks about how the Lord gave the leaves of the trees for the healing of the nations. In Ezekiel, there's a scripture that says the trees bearing fruits will be not just for food, but for medicine. So the Lord provides assistance in every realm, not just the spiritual, but also in the physical. We have found that essential oils have been just remarkable in so many ways. In this video, we're going to talk about using them mainly as a mouth rinse. That's what I did when a couple of weeks ago I had some tooth pain and I had the essential oils. I know how rapidly they worked, and I used my essential oils and it just treated the matter. I didn't have to go to the dentist and I didn't have to concern myself about it. So basically there's so many essential oils you can use for oral care, and there's clove essential oil, which is number one on the list. You can use fennel as well, peppermint, thyme, tea tree oil, cinnamon as well, lemon. There's a whole array of essential oils and they're all antibacterial, antiseptic, antifungal. So they're antimicrobial in nature, which means they fight bacteria. And in addition, they also have the ability to strengthen both your gums and your teeth, because there's some essential oils that remineralize teeth as well. My personal favorites for dental care are clove, fennel, lemon, and peppermint. But there are many more essential oils that you can use for oral dental health, which include tea tree oil, eucalyptus, cinnamon, oregano, thyme, and also there's a combination of essential oils called thieves that is very effective. Let's begin with peppermint, one of my favorite essential oils. This is my peppermint essential oil, and it's remarkable because it has a cooling effect and a numbing effect. On top of that, it fights oral pathogens, so it prevents cavities and tooth decay. Amazing. Cinnamon essential oil has one of the greatest antimicrobial properties, so that is excellent as well to fight against any form of tooth decay. Then there's tea tree oil, which is used to fight plaque and also treats bleeding gums, but it's really strong, so you want to use it as a mouth rinse and spit it out rather than ingesting it. But I would have to say that clove oil really is the ultimate in my experience with regards to dental care, because it has such a potent ability to numb the area. In fact, it has this element called eugenol. Eugenol is actually found in medicines used in dentistry, and it has a numbing effect. It has an anesthetic quality. So if you have any form of tooth pain, this is what you want to go to immediately, is get yourself that clove essential oil. What you want to do, and this is what I have done, is I will take some coconut oil and then I'll put a few drops of this clove oil, mix it up. I just literally just use my fingers and I just dab it on the gums and the tooth. Instantly it treats the area. I found I didn't have to go to the dentist. The issue was resolved. I can't guarantee that's going to happen for you, but definitely you'll feel the pain goes away immediately. It's remarkable. So it has anesthetic qualities and also antibacterial qualities. So not only is it taking the pain away, it's also treating the bacteria and retaining the health of the gums and the teeth. So another thing I want to mention is myrrh. Myrrh essential oil is awesome as well, because it's very good in getting the circulation going in your gums. So you can put myrrh on your gums. Use a carrier oil. All these essential oils are very potent, very strong. So if you want to make a mouth rinse, for example, you would take a glass of water, put a few drops of the oils that you choose, and you just gargle with it, spit it out. Or you can just take coconut oil, put a few drops, and dab it directly on the gums. Now, because essential oils are so good for you in so many ways, I actually make a mouth rinse, which is not really a mouth rinse because I swallow it. So I take a glass of water and I put my favorite clove essential oil, and then I put my another favorite, which is fennel, and I swallow that and I let it sit in my mouth because I know how good it is for teeth and gums. And then after a while I just swallow it because it's so good for the body as well. So it's very simple. You can experiment with it, but I have to say, do not use essential oils that you buy in the store, you just buy online randomly. You have to make sure that you are using pure therapeutic grade essential oils, because if you don't, you could actually be taking something that's poisonous. Because many, I would say most oils actually have fillers and chemicals in it, and they're not meant to be taken internally. So you really have to investigate the company that you're getting the oils from. And many say that they are pure therapeutic grade oils or they're organic. But do your research. You're taking it internally. It's a whole other matter. With Young Living, it's safe to ingest these oils because they are organic farms. They do not add any fillers, no chemicals whatsoever. They use steam distillation. Truly, this is a pure product. They have a promise. It's called seed to seal, meaning from the planting of the seed and the harvesting and the sealing in the bottle, it's all done by them, and it's absolutely pure. On top of that, you can visit their farms around the world and you can watch the process for yourself, and that's very important. I have to emphasize this because when it comes to ingesting oils, be very aware of the source of oil, because otherwise you're actually doing damage to your body rather than gaining the medicinal value of that plant. So now I want to talk about another aspect that's really interesting. Remember how I said that when I made the mouth rinse, I would actually swallow it? Do you know why I do that? Because ingesting it is so beneficial for the body. There's a scale called the ORAC scale, ORAC. And the ORAC scale actually measures the antioxidant activity or capacity of a plant food, which means the level of antioxidants you receive when you ingest that fruit or vegetable or plant source. When you look at healthy foods, they have a very high rating on the ORAC scale. Unhealthy foods have a low rating on the ORAC scale. For example, a bowl of carrots is a few hundred on the ORAC scale, and kale is over 1,000. There's more ratings. Let me find them for you. Okay, so tomatoes on the ORAC scale are 189. Carrots are 207. Sweet potatoes, 300. Broccoli, 890. Raspberries, 1,220. Raw spinach, over 1,000. Kale is 1,770. Blueberries, 2,400. Prunes, 5,700. These are very healthy foods filled with antioxidants. So let's look at essential oils and how they rate on the ORAC scale. This is profound. Oh my goodness, check this out. Orange essential oil is 1,890 on the ORAC scale. Cinnamon bark essential oil, 10,340. Rose essential oil, 158,000. Clary sage, 221,000. Fennel essential oil, 238,000. Myrrh is 379,000 on the ORAC scale, but the ultimate is clove essential oil, and that is, take a wild guess, What does it rate on the ORAC scale? Over 1,000,000 on the ORAC scale. It is flooding your body with antioxidants. So good for you, because antioxidants fight free radicals. Free radicals are what cause damage to your cells, and they are linked with sickness and infirmity and aging. But when you fill the body with foods that are rich with antioxidants, those antioxidants go to work fighting damage caused by free radicals, so the cell remains protected. And that's also amazing, because in the Bible, oils were used for consecration, sanctification. And then we see here in the physical body, there's a consecration happening to the cells as well. And that keeps you strong and vibrant, alive and youthful. So this is why when I take my mouth rinse, I have a glass of water with clove and fennel, and I actually keep it in my mouth and swallow it, because I want it internally. I do the same with peppermint as well. Glass of water, peppermint, keep it in my mouth a while, and then I swallow it. You want that antioxidant quality working within, working for you. So that's what I had to share today on using essential oils for dental care. I hope you can use this information, benefit from it, and go grab yourself that clove essential oil especially. See you next time. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Bye. If you'd like to sign up with Young Living Essential Oils, you can sign up under myself or my husband. You can find full details in the description box below, as well as the links that will take you directly to the sign up page. Thank you, and God bless.